Hello, friends, and welcome back to Winiskiddies. Today, we're splashing into the deep blue sea and sailing all the way to the icy polar places. We'll meet amazing animals, make their sounds, and sing together. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss another fun adventure.
Into the ocean we take a dive to see the sea creatures come alive. The whale goes click, the dolphin whistle, the penguin honks through the snowy thistle. The polar bear goes growl, the walrus bellow. We're listening to every sweet fellow. The seals all bark, the crabs all click. Oh, what a wonderful water trip.
Let's splash into the big blue sea. Then, we'll sail to a very cold, icy place. What sounds do the animals here make? Polar bear. The cold polar bear says growl. What sound does the polar bear make? Growl. Can you growl like a polar bear? Penguin. The waddling penguin says honk. What sound does the penguin make? Honk. Can you honk like a penguin? Walrus. The big walrus says bellow. What sound does the walrus make? Bellow. Can you bellow like a walrus? Whale. The giant whale says click. What sound does the whale make? Click. Can you click like a whale? Dolphin. The playful dolphin says whistle. What sound does the dolphin make? Whistle. Can you whistle like a dolphin? Shark. The powerful shark says grunt. What sound does the shark make? Grunt. Can you grunt like a shark? Turtle. The slow turtle says hiss. What sound does the turtle make? Hiss. Can you hiss like a turtle? Jellyfish. The wobbly jellyfish says none. What sound does a jellyfish make? None. They are silent. Crab. The sideways crab says clicking. What sound does a crab make? Clicking. Can you click like a crab? Starfish. The pretty starfish says none. What sound does a starfish make? None. They are silent. Seahorse. The curly seahorse says clicking. What sound does the seahorse make? Clicking. Can you click like a seahorse? Octopus. The smart octopus says none. What sound does an octopus make? None. They are silent. Seal. The smooth seal says bark. What sound does the seal make? Bark. Can you bark like a seal? Wow, that was such a wonderful trip under the sea and through the polar world. Did you have fun making animal sounds with us? Tell us your favorite animal in the comments below. Speech Balloon. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Winiskiddies for more songs, stories, and adventures. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye.